Today, I'm going to show you something super useful in ChatGPT. It's basically the incognito mode, except ChatGPT calls it temporary chat. We're on the ChatGPT website here. Just go to chatgpt.com if you're following along. Now, to turn on temporary chat, all you have to do is look at the top right corner of the chat area. You'll see a small icon. It looks like a chat bubble with a little dashed outline. Go ahead and click that. See how the message bar changed to a darker color? That's how you know it's on. You're now in temporary chat, basically incognito mode for ChatGPT. You'll also notice it says temporary at the top. That's your confirmation. Anything you type here won't show up in your chat history, and ChatGPT won't remember it later. Let me quickly paste a test prompt so you can see what I mean. And just like that, ChatGPT is confirming no memory, no history, no personalization. This is a completely clean session. And if I go back to the sidebar, you'll see that chat is gone. It's not saved anywhere. That's the whole point. Now let me show you the same thing on mobile. It's just as easy. Open your ChatGPT app and make sure you're on the main screen where you can start a new chat. Now look at the top of the screen. You'll see that same little dash chat bubble icon. Go ahead and tap it, and boom, you'll see a label or a little banner pop up confirming you're in a temporary chat. Same deal as the PC. Nothing gets saved, no memory, no history. You can go ahead and type your message just like normal. The only difference is when this session ends, it's gone. No trace. And that's really it. Temporary chat is super handy when you want to ask something private, test something out, or just don't want it cluttering your history. Works on both PC and iPhone. Takes literally 2 seconds to turn on. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.